What's the meaning of contagious? Contagious. Contagious.
Contagious. Contagious. The term contagious refers to the ability of a particular disease or ailment to spread from one person to another through direct or indirect contact. A contagious disease can be transmitted through various mediums such as saliva, blood, air, or physical touch. Such diseases have a tendency to spread quickly and can lead to epidemics if not managed properly. The contagious nature of a disease makes it imperative to take appropriate measures to prevent its spread, including vaccination, quarantine, social distancing, and hygiene practices.